Hi, now we'll see about what is the definition of the research. Research is a systematic inquiry that uses disciplined methods to answer questions or solve problems, right? So what is research? It is a systematic inquiry. So the inquiry is done in a very systematic way, that is step by step, that is in the order, okay? And when we are using the steps, that steps are in a disciplined methods. So it is very disciplined way where wherever we are doing whatever type of research we are doing, the same discipline will be followed. And to answer questions or solve the problems, we are using this disciplined method in a systematic inquiry way. So at last, what is known as the research? Research can be slashed into research, that is research. So searching again and again is known as the research. Why we are searching? To get answers for the questions. So what is the question here? These questions depends upon the need of the area. Suppose in nursing education, we want to see how we can improve the teaching skills. So in that we can use different methods and we can see what is the method it is improved. And example, if you are seeing another one example, that is Nightingale, Florence Nightingale environmental theory. Okay, so depends upon the need. In the sense, he thought she was giving a information for us that if you are increasing the hygienic of the patients, definitely the patient care will be increased. So that time, that was the need to do the research. So she has done the research on that. And how to do the research? This research is done in the way of systematic way, that is systematic inquiry. Systematic in the sense, again, it is in the order or step by steps. So this systematic way is known as the research process. So when we are getting the answer, we want to get the answer for the question. What is the question here? The question is depends upon these questions depends upon the need of the area. And when we are getting the answers, we follow the steps to get the answers, and that steps is known as the research process. So as a conclusion, the research is a systematic inquiry that uses disciplined methods to answer the questions or solve the problems. In a simple, research is a systematic inquiry which is done to get the answers for our questions. Yes.